The health benefits of cinnamon and its medicinal uses. Cinnamon is a type of tree bark that has been used as a spice for over 4,000 years in Egypt and around the world. This has been used throughout history to help fight diseases such as the bubonic plague. Cinnamon is one of the most powerful healing spices for protecting and healing the body from many different health problems. In today's video, we will explore 24 facts and benefits of cinnamon powder and how to use this to rapidly boost your health. 1. Skin health. Cinnamon is one of the highest sources of antioxidants for protecting the skin from irritation, allergic reactions, acne, and infections. Consuming this powdered spice regularly will help to fight free radical damage, keeping the skin elastic and looking youthful with age. This also works well in natural face masks mixed with raw honey. 2. Diabetes. Medical studies show that taking a supplement of cinnamon each day helps to regulate blood sugar levels for those suffering with diabetes. You can sprinkle this over delicious meals, add to smoothies, or take as a daily capsule. It helps to reduce insulin resistance in the cells and stabilize blood sugar levels naturally. 3. Weight loss. Those who are overweight and need to lose some extra pounds should definitely add cinnamon into their diet. By reducing insulin resistance, this powerful spice helps you to tap into your own fat reserves for energy and burn off excess fat. We recommend adding half a teaspoon to a glass of water daily. 4. Mood. By helping to control blood sugar levels, you will feel calmer, more relaxed, and less likely to have mood swings throughout the day. Most people with high stress levels have a blood sugar problem, which can be improved by reducing carbs and consuming more spices like cinnamon, ginger, and chili. 5. Anti-aging. Cinnamon is very high on the ORAC scale, meaning that it has higher antioxidant activities than most other spices in the world, along with cloves and turmeric. Both cinnamon powder and cinnamon oil contain concentrated antioxidants that fight the effects of aging and free radical damage. This will help to protect your internal organs, skin, eyes, and entire body as you get older. 6. Fights infections. Cinnamon contains natural chemicals that fight viruses and helps to protect the lungs from infection. The natural oils found in cinnamon bark also naturally boost the immune system so that the body can defend itself against harmful microbes, fungus, and other invaders. Cinnamon oil in particular is used to fight the common cold, pneumonia, and strep throat. 7. Energy levels. With its high concentration of antioxidants, cinnamon can improve energy levels at the cellular level. Using healthy spices like cinnamon, clove, turmeric, and ginger in healthy meals helps the body to produce more energy at the cellular level. 8. Sugar replacement. Cinnamon can be used as a natural sweetener to replace sugar in drinks and smoothies. It has a natural sweet quality and actually helps the body to metabolize carbohydrates and other foods that turn into sugar. This is a much healthier option. 9. Oral hygiene. Cinnamon helps to fight off harmful bacteria in the mouth, which causes bad breath, tooth decay, mouth infections, and cavities. You can use a few drops of cinnamon oil on the toothbrush to help whiten the teeth and clean the mouth. The powdered version is sometimes used to make a natural mouthwash. 10. Preservative. Ancient cultures used cinnamon to help preserve foods, such as meats and fish, to keep them fresh for longer. The natural chemicals help to fight off microbes like salmonella and keep foods from spoiling. 11. Heart health. Studies show that one of the main health benefits of cinnamon is its ability to improve the health of the heart. It has been shown to reduce high blood pressure so that blood can circulate freely to and from the heart. It also supports healthy cholesterol levels, triglyceride levels, and helps heart tissue to regenerate. 12. HIV-1. Studies show that cassia cinnamon can help to fight against HIV-1, the most common strain of this virus in humans. Laboratory studies show that cinnamon is the most effective treatment out of 69 other medicinal plants for fighting HIV-infected cells. 13. Brain function. A natural compound called cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon can help to protect brain cells and lower the risk of neurological problems such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. This compound helps to protect against oxidative stress in the brain and support healthy neurons. 14. Cancer risk. The high concentration of antioxidants in cinnamon may reduce the risk of cancer and protect DNA. Studies show that cinnamaldehyde can help to starve the blood supply to tumor cells, effectively killing cancer cells. This is especially useful against colon cancer, as cinnamon supports detoxifying enzymes in this area of the body. 15. Polycystic ovary syndrome. Women who suffer with polycystic ovary syndrome can take cinnamon to help regulate menstrual periods. By lowering insulin resistance in the body, cinnamon helps to restore a natural hormone balance. We also recommend following a healthy low-carb diet for this condition, such as keto. 16. Insect repellent. The strong aroma of cinnamon is great to use in the garden to repel insects from your plants. Sprinkle this around the general area to repel slugs, ants, and other critters. In the garden, you can also use cinnamon as a natural rooting powder to stimulate the growth in cuttings. 17. Candida. Many people suffer with an overgrowth of Candida in the digestive tract, which causes digestive problems and autoimmune diseases. Cinnamon is an antifungal and helps to fight off Candida albicans whilst also detoxifying the colon. 18. Liver health. In Ayurveda, the ancient medicine of India, cinnamon is used to help detoxify chemicals from the liver. This improves overall health and helps to enhance bioavailability and absorption of other spices in the body. 19. Allergies. Those who suffer with allergies may use cinnamon to help relieve their symptoms. The natural compounds in the spice help to fight common allergy symptoms by reducing histamine reactions in the body. 20. Sperm quality. Studies show that taking cinnamon on a daily basis helps to increase sperm production in men, also increasing their motility. This is excellent for improving fertility, especially when trying to conceive a child. 21. Types. There are two main types of cinnamon. The most common type is called cassia. However, the very best variety is called Ceylon cinnamon. Both of these have tremendous health benefits. However, Ceylon has been shown to be the higher quality of the two. However, it is more expensive. 22. How to use. There are many ways that you can get cinnamon into your diet. You can add this to delicious smoothies, Asian stir-fries, water, juices, and baking low-carb recipes. You can also use cinnamon oil topically on the skin to fight pimples and acne scars, or use it to brush your teeth. 23. Oil burners. Cinnamon natural oils are extracted to make essential oils to use in diffusers and oil burners. These have a unique aroma which works well with apple and orange. This helps to relax the body as the fragrant compounds are released into the air that calm the nervous system and promote deep relaxation. 24. Nutrients. Cinnamon contains manganese, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, vitamin K, beta-carotene, choline, amino acids, and natural spice compounds. As you can see, cinnamon clearly has some fantastic health benefits for the human body, especially when taken on a daily basis. In our other videos, we explore more beneficial herbs and spices and look in detail at their medicinal properties. To learn more about nutrition and herbal medicines, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.